Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to resize objects in Tinkercad in 2026. Resizing objects is one of the most important skills in 3D modeling because it allows you to create accurate designs that fit your project perfectly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Tinkercad account. From your dashboard, open an existing design or click Create New Design ** to start a new project. Once you're inside the 3D workspace, select the object you want to resize by clicking on it. After selecting the object, you'll notice several white square handles around its edges and corners. These are the resize handles. Simply click and drag one of these handles to make the object larger or smaller. As you drag, you'll see the dimensions update in real time, helping you create the exact size you need. If you want more precise control, click directly on the dimension values that appear next to the object. You can type in exact measurements, such as 20 millimeters, 50 millimeters, or any other value. This is especially useful when designing parts that need to fit together accurately. You'll also see a black handle above the object. Dragging this handle changes the height of the object without affecting its length or width. This gives you full control over all three dimensions of your model. If you want to keep the object's proportions while resizing, use the appropriate scaling option if it's available for that shape. Otherwise, resize each dimension carefully to maintain the desired appearance. After resizing your object, rotate the view and inspect it from different angles to make sure the new dimensions look correct. You can continue adjusting the size until you're satisfied with the result. Learning how to resize objects accurately will make your designs more professional and improve the success of your 3D prints by ensuring that every part fits as intended. And that's how to resize objects in Tinkercad in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Tinkercad tutorials and 3D design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.